and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mackie. And by another episode, I mean the very first one. Probably the only one. Yeah. Well, anyway, we're gonna cook some beer. Let's do this. You asking, what the fuck, you crazy man? What do you mean cooking beer? Well, it's very simple. It's cold outside. I mean, it's really fucking cold. And that kind of cold kind of gets to your bones, especially when you're riding a bike. After even half an hour in a saddle, it's wet, it's miserable and really cold. You need to get home and warm up somehow. Yes, the best way to warm up is probably drinking rum. You're right, I give you that. Second best way to warm up is drinking tequila. Yeah, okay, I'm not doing very well with this. Third way, you probably is drinking whiskey and so on and so forth. But probably number four best way to warm up is drink a mulled beer. And I'm gonna show you my recipe, how I've been doing that for years. And well, when winter comes, every now and again, drinking ice cold beer. Oh yeah, it is a good idea. It's always a good idea. But just every now and again, for a change, I like to make it hot. Come with me and I'll show you what I mean by that. Obviously, when it comes to cooking beer, what we need beer. Now, a little bit more beer. Come on, we can do better than that. Now that's better. The other thing we will need is ginger. We need some cinnamon and some cloves. Sorted. Let's do this. Right, so first thing we need to do is just get a suitable pot and get some beer in there. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than that. Cheers. Any old beer will do. That's why I bought a cheap piece of shit. It don't really matter. Put the beer in the pot. We can do a couple more, can we not? Yeah, I bet we can. Good stuff. Let's stick with 2 pints. Heat it up and leave it there on a medium fire just so it warms up gently. Don't need to stir it, just leave it as it is. While we're waiting, we'll be brought to not to have a shot of rum. I mean, come on, we're cooking. Cheers, everybody. That's better. Carry on. Okay, now we're waiting for the... Excuse the mess. Now we're waiting for the beer to warm up. Let's prepare our ginger. A piece like this will do just fine. Once it's clean like this, I like to give it little strips. Cut it gently. Not too fine, because we're going to dunk it all in the beer. You don't want to drink that, so you should be able to just fish it out later on. This will be absolutely fine. And that's pretty much the all cutting we're gonna do in the kitchen, so that's about it. Yeah, let's have a look. Put it in there, let it soak together. Whilst this is all warming up, there's a very important ingredient I forgot, and it's honey. Oh yeah, you want to add some honey to your warm beer. Mine's crystallized already, so it's looking like this. There's nothing wrong with that. Just means it's been sitting here for a while. I would say for 2 pints of beer, you want to put 2 solid tablespoons in there. Obviously, taste different. Everybody's different. I would say 2 tablespoons for 2 pints should be absolutely fine. Now, while this is warming up, You get some cloves to this bad boy. Again, a pinch or 2 pints, that should be fine. And sprinkle the whole thing with cinnamon. That's if we open it first. There you go, that's better. That will do. Lovely. And that's about it. Now we just need to play the waiting game. You can stir it every now and again. Put it on medium fire, medium heat. You don't want to boil it. You don't want to boil this thing. Just make sure it's hot. Make sure it's hot, about 80 degrees probably to drink. Every now and again, try it some form of spoon. A wooden spoon would be recommended. Don't fucking burn yourself. Don't be stupid about it. And yeah, just wait. The foam should eventually disappear and a little bit of steam coming out of it. So join me in about 15 minutes, maybe less than that. See what we can do. Okay, we are still waiting. And it's only fair to have another shot of rum. I mean, come on. I mean, in the end of the day, we're not in the garage. We're in a flipping kitchen and we're cooking. You gotta have some help. So, cheers. Oh yeah, that was good. Right, we are nearly there, I think. In fact, I'm pretty sure this is it. Definitely good stuff. Right, let's pour it into a drinking mug and we see what happens. Obviously at this point I don't need to say that your regular pint glass is not gonna cut over here, it's not gonna work because this fucking thing is hot. If you pour it into a pint glass, there's a very good chance A, it will crack, and B, you won't be able to hold it because it's glass, it dissipates the heat like crazy. So here's the one I prepared earlier, 2 years ago probably. You remember this one from one of the videos? It's still strong, still carry on with me to all the festivals and everything. And yeah, one of my favorite drinking mugs. And I think it's the right time of the year to get it as well right now. So yeah, let's have it. Can't wait. How good is that looking? 2 pints right in here. Well, don't know about you, but I can't wait to taste it. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright guys, don't know about you, but about 20 minutes, half an hour ago, I came back from a bike ride. It's about 9 o'clock in the evening. Well, it was when I got back. Raining, about 3 degrees above zero, which is kind of cold. And I was on the bike for about only half an hour, so it's not too bad. But I got cold, and shaky and miserable, and I got here. And right now I'm a happy man. I'll tell you that. Well, anyway guys, hope you enjoyed cooking with Mackie. Cheers. If you want any more episodes from this series, all you need to do, just drop me a comment below. For those of you who love the beer, I hope I didn't offend you by having it my way, warming it up. It's not a cold one, but it tastes just as good, trust me, believe it or not. I love this shit. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a beer, mulled beer, why not, in the winter time. Rock hard, and we'll see you very soon.